You guys ready? Da, da, da. Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. I'm super excited about this video because I got the entire Revolution Pro Influencer Overnight Collection. I mean, the entire collection. Okay, you guys ready? Da, da, da. What we have in here is the Revolution Pro X Vlogger Agent Influencer Overnight Collection. Maybe if I put in here, you guys will see what I'm opening. Is that helpful? Okay, let's just try. The first thing that we have in here is the interactive handbook Influence Overnight. So we literally got the book, which is like the manifesting exercises, the best like advice and so on, which absolutely looks amazing. I can't wait to like read this all. Another thing we have in here is the From 0 to 100 Shadow Book 1. You guys ready? I don't think I'm gonna be swatching all the palettes because this video will be far too long, but we can swatch one and create makeup looks. I can't take this plastic thing off. Give me one moment. Okay, you guys ready? Ooh. I mean, look at this palette. It looks beautiful, don't you think? Actually, I think I might use this palette for today's look because I can match the look to my t-shirt. Plus, this looks insane. I really hope it's super pigmented. I mean, we're gonna swatch it later. Let's check all the products that we have first. But oh my goodness me, that is. Another thing I have in here is the Influencer Overnight Shadow Book 2 Soft Glam. Beautiful shades, right? All super wearable. Absolutely gorgeous, I think. So what else? Oh, look at that. Okay, so this one is to keep your all the palettes together, I believe so. So it says the Influence Overnight Shadow Book Collection. Literally looks like a book. I mean, look at that. Okay, so the third shadow palette, the Ring Light Ready. Let's just see the shade. How gorgeous are these shades? You can create, you know, daytime looks, nighttime looks, shimmers and all. Today I am very tempted to go with this number 1 bright shades, the bright colors, just because I think I'm wearing this, you know, blue t-shirt and this would kind of match me nicely, so I might go for that. We still got two more things in here actually. Influencer Overnight the Transformation Liner Tint 10 Gel Formula Pencils. Guys ready? These look cute. Oh, I love it. We have like a neutral colors. We have like a brown and white and beige and, you know, black. And then we have more like a, you know, bright shades, which I think perfect. So it's a gel liners. We got one more item in here, which is dun 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 Influencer Overnight Full Beat Brush Set. That looks super cute, right guys? Let's see what we got and create a makeup look. I kinda wanna try this colorful shadow palette, so I'm gonna go with that. Let's just do some swatches so we know what we are playing with. So as I noticed, we have the matte colors in here, the shimmers in here, and then the pressed pigments in the middle. Let's just swatch some mattes. Let's go with this shade just to see how pigmented it is. I'm just going with random colors because it's 32 shades, so I'm not gonna be swatching all. But oh my goodness, you guys. Wow, okay. 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 The last matte and we can try shimmers. So far, impressed for sure. Let's just test some shimmers quickly. This one might be off. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me, you guys. Okay, and let's try the pressed shimmer because okay. Impressed. For sure. To start with, we're gonna go for the blue. To start with, I'm gonna go with this beautiful blue shade. I'm gonna use the universal base brush. So I'm starting here a bit. Let's go out the corner as well. Oh, this is pigmented. Alright, next thing I'm doing, I'm taking some concealer. I'm gonna tidy up this. We're gonna do like a cut crease. So I'm just tidying up this part in here. While the eyelids are wet from the concealer, I'm gonna apply some shadow in this empty part. So I'm just gonna go with this pink shimmer with my finger at first and then blend with the brush, just because we have this now concealer, so it's extra sticky. Taking a bit of a purple shade, I'm gonna go with like a liner with me. Alright, I think we could go with mascara and maybe even false lashes, and then we can do the lash line. What you guys say? Mascara, I'm going with Revolution Pro X Marilyn Monroe Collection Mascara. I'm gonna quickly apply these lashes and then do my face, foundation and all, and come back to you to do the lower lash line and inner eye corner. Alright guys, face is done. To anyone who's asking what lippy I'm wearing, is the Revolution Pro Rockstar Hydrating Lippy in Cashmere. Let's do the lower lash line. This look looks so much better with lashes on, don't you think so? Like every look looks better with lashes on. Okay, so for lower lash line, we're gonna go... I think I'm gonna go with purple on the outer corners and then bring on the pink. So for purple, I'm just gonna go with this once again for outer corner. I'm not taking a lot of product on the brush, just a tiny bit. And going out the outer corner and then just dragging what's left to the middle. Now for middle, I'm gonna come back to the pink shade. Middle for the inner corner. Just gonna tie this together. For the inner eye corner, I'm just gonna go with a tiny bit of this shade, and then we can go with mascara. Let's apply a bit of mascara, coming back to Marilyn Monroe Collection by Revolution. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? So what do you guys think of this makeup look? What I think of these palettes, at least the one that I tried, I'm sure the rest, another two shadow palettes, gonna be amazing. It's extremely pigmented. You get 32 shades. To be honest, any Revolution palettes that I tried so far, the quality is just... every time they release a new palette, it feels like the quality just goes up. So I can't fail the palettes in any way. I just remembered I haven't showed you the liners. I totally forgot about liners. I could have used for liner bar. Anyway, okay, let's just check one of the liners. Let's just see how this looks. Let's just open red one. Let's just open the blue one. So the blue one, I haven't checked these actually. Oh, okay. For some reason it's dirty. Why are you broken? Okay, so the blue one got broken. Wait, I'm gonna clean this up a bit. Okay, that's better. Okay, so the blue one looks like this. Let's just see how clean it is. Easy to use. Okay, super easy to use. It's literally like a normal pen. Wow. Okay, I just hope you guys can see on the camera. It looks very much like a gel liner. It doesn't look like your ordinary stationery pen. It doesn't look like that at all. I just hope you can see it's like a proper gel in here. Very easy to use. Why didn't you use for this liner part? I'm such an idiot sometimes. I'm sorry. But you live, you learn. Plus, I didn't have purple in here, so let's see if that's why. For those who are asking why I didn't open the brushes, they do look lovely. I'm just gonna open and show you. But you know my love for other brushes. which I'm not gonna, you know, lose. So for these brushes, the packaging is mega cute. Comes in this pouch, so it looks mega cute. But then I'm not really sure. Like, I'm always super honest with all my reviews, right? Like, always super honest. That's my thing. No matter what, I'm gonna always be honest with you. So it goes pink, but then it goes gray. So I'm not sure if they're meant to be gray or it's just dirty. Like, you know what I mean? Maybe that's a whole thing, you know, pink to gray ombre look. I don't know. But as I said, I'm always super honest with you. The brushes looks cute though, like I can't say anything about it, more or less. But then I'm very confused about this gray part, so I'm not sure if it's meant to be gray. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. What I love the most about this set is the pouch, because the pouch is mega cute. I mean, that's cute, right? That's what I think of his collection. If I would need to recommend anything from his collection, that would be the shadow palettes, because oh boy, it's packed with a pigment. And this, oh, I'm just trying not to drop anything, oh my goodness me. And this influencer overnight handbook, because this just looks amazing, you guys. Like, I'm just gonna try and show you as much as I can. It's like a lot of tips involved. It's perfect for manifesting. It's teaching you how to do things. And then you have like some parts for the notes and so on. The gel liners, I'm not really sure because I forgot to try this. So, I mean, it's super easy to use. So I would say, yeah, go get that. The brushes, but you know, I'm always honest with you guys. That's why I am saying so. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more. Where is this button here? I think. Subscribe to our channel for more, as this would like majorly help my channel. And let me know what you think of his collection. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, tag me in your pictures so I can see them. And yeah, have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching and bye! See you soon, guys. Ciao for now.